online right now, watching on the live stream. Happy to have you another beautiful night here. Before we get started, a couple things. We have a couple of weekends coming up. We're doing a Rolling Stones tribute night here next Saturday, and the Saturday after that, there is a festival called the All Summer's Eve Festival. We have the Crash and Ride Cabaret coming here again soon. That's been a big hit every show they've done here. It's a blast if you get a chance to come out for that. Anyway, Stagefright. Just have a little disclaimer I'd like to read for this. The ideas expressed in this or any shows at the Palms do not necessarily represent the opinions or ideas of the Palms or any employee of the Palms. We do not have any ideas or opinions. Our responsibility for the content of the show you're about to see. What are you doing? I'm not finished yet. I'm not.
Take my job.
Take my mic.
Hello.
Hello.
Meine Damen und Herren, willkommen.
You have everything you need?
Begrüßen Sie bitte ein Fräulein von Amerika und sie ist sehr Amerikanerin. Fräulein Lolly, gute Frau und Lampenfieber. I'm sorry. My English is not good. In English, it is Lolly, Goodwoman und Stagefright.
What is Stagefright?
Lolly, Goodwoman und Stagefright. Wo ist Lolly? Hast du die Lolly gesehen? Nein? Scheiße Arschloch. Lolly, Goodwoman und Stagefright. Lolly, wo bist du? Lolly. Lolly, komm jetzt hier! Lolly, Goodwoman! Wo bist du, Lolly? Oh, the hell is Lolly? Lolly, gute Frau! Wo bist du? Was ist dein Problem? Lolly, gute Frau! Scheiße. Hier ist Lolly. Okay. Ja, Lolly kommt. Lolly kommt. Alright. Ja. Scheiße, Arschloch. Ja, okay. Ja, was ist das Problem, Lolly?
There's a lot of lesbians here and somebody's got to pleasure them all, so...
Ich habe keine Zeit für deine Spielereien. Was ist das Problem? Bist du müde? Hast du vergessen?
No, I didn't forget him.
Ja, right, ja.
You know,
Ja. Right. Aha.
Pardon me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Alright, well, Lolly ist hier now. Ja, Lolly. Alright. Meine Damen und Herren, jetzt Lolly, gute Frau und Stagefright.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you so much for being here. Wow. Give it up for Gray, host of Open Mic Night. Rest in peace. We're very happy to be here. I apologize for my lateness. You know, it's difficult coming and working and trying to get everything and everyone arranged, trying to please everyone in the parking lot at their cars. Anyway, we'd like to do a little song for y'all to start us off here. How's it sound out there? Yeah? Oh, it's so nice to see all of y'all here, pretending the pandemic's over. It's over for some of us. Still a pandemic though. Don't get too comfortable. I'd like to do a little call and response with y'all. Some of y'all know how this goes. When I say who's in control, you'll say, the sub is in control. Can we all try that together real quick? Who is in control? That was good. Sub, S-U-B, like dominant and submissive. Okay? If you need more explanation about that, just see me after the show. Anyway, let's try it again. Who is in control? Okay, I think we can do this. Who is in control? The sub is in control. You played the game.